Hello again, I'm Kevin Lemaire, and I am here with the same website I've been using, the Little Peep website, because I think it's a perfect example to suit the needs of all of these assignments. This is for the form and function and rule of thirds. Now, we've already gone through this website, and if we scroll down, we can see the form is very functional. It just goes straight down. Everything is self-explanatory. Nothing, no bells and whistles that really need to be done away with. Just everything is streamlined right down the middle. And the form is obviously very aesthetically pleasing, and that includes our drop-down menu here and all the options in here. If we go to for the record, we can see again, it's just straight down the middle. So this website is very self-explanatory in terms of form follows function. It's again straight down the middle, and nothing extra that needs to be figured out or wondered about. So we go from that. I tried to make it a little bit easier on this video, and I figured for the rule of thirds, I'll just take it through. So we start here with the screenshot of the Little Peep website right when you get to it. Obviously, everything is aesthetically pleasing. It looks very nice. And then we go down and look at the boxes, and the boxes show just how nicely put everything is. Little Peep is right straight down the middle. Everything is formulated within those boxes. And as we move down, we can see that every single page has the same thing. There's a nice streamline. Off to the left and the right, there seems to be a lot of open spaces. It's not really a lot, and it looks very, again, it looks very aesthetically pleasing. And we go down, we can see it's almost as though when they were designing the website, they were actually using these rule of third overlay boxes, because as you can see, everything fits right perfectly. The bottom text down there is just nestled right underneath that bottom line. The castle's right in the middle, and we keep going down, and we can see it just keeps staying with the same proportions as we go all the way down to the bottom. So as you can see, the Little Peep website most certainly does follow form versus function, very much so, and as well as the rule of thirds. You can see that very, very prevalent in every single aspect of this website. It's just very well organized. And again, it seems like they just used the boxes themselves when they were designing it. So again, my name is Kevin Lemaire, and I hope you've liked this video where I've explained how the Little Peep website works with form and function and the rule of thirds. Thank you.